Hey everybody, welcome back to the Infinite Cup. If you're new here, I make videos every single day about spirituality, health, and wellness, all right? Man, this is actually a little hard to keep my hair up with the headphones here. First time I've done this. All right, guys, in this video, I'm excited. I just got back from a spiritual festival. We had some aura pictures taken, pictures of the chakra. I got physical proof right here that the aura is real. Check this out. This is a Clarion Photography session that we had with a professional psychic. I don't know if you can see it there without the reflection. Beautiful picture here with the limited edition Clarion Photography. So this is how you take pictures of the aura. This is like really cool when it comes to seeing the chakras with the two physical eyes. I just wanted to break down the chakras, talk about energy, talk about what I learned from this psychic reading, and we're really going to get down into diving deep as far as what's going on with the chakras and the full auric field. So stick around to the end of the video. You don't want to miss this one. All right, guys. So, yeah, this aura reading was amazing. Check it out on the Infinite Cup podcast. This is a mystery episode number 8. I recorded the entire session. It was profound. I learned so much about my aura, about my chakras, about my guides, angels, aliens, the whole thing, you name it. So if you guys have never been to like a psychic, a professional psychic or medium before, I highly recommend this. You know, using tarot cards, using energy healing, Reiki, all of these things are tools to gain more information on our path on this world, our path on this planet. So we are here doing so much, and we are infinite spirit souls. When you have this picture on, the physical two waking eyes, they cannot see the aura. They cannot really see. Most people cannot see energy at all. So you need to go to a medium. You need to go to a psychic, somebody who can actually see the auras. I can see auras. I can see energy. It's important to get information from other people, right? And I've been to a lot of psychics and astrologers and people that have given me a lot of insight about my life and what this is all about, what this spiritual journey is all about. So we had this reading. The Clarion Photography is just awesome. Again, if you want to hear the whole episode about the actual session, then just download the podcast, episode number 8, mystery episode for Clarion Photography. It was an aura session. So again, this is something that was so profound, and I want to just dive deep into the aura and how this really works. So I'm going to throw the picture up right here on half the screen so you can see what I'm talking about here. And what we're talking about here is the aura. Like what you might see through Google Images, is not what the auric field really looks like. This is a toroidal field. It is a field of energy that is constantly moving, right? Our emotions are changing. Our field, our frequency, our vibration is constantly changing. So it's really important to just remember that. This isn't a constant thing. Your aura is not there, 24/7 since you were born, and it's constantly changing. So just remember that. So as you can see at the top of this photo, the golden crown chakra, light energy, that's like the vibrational codes that I'm getting. This is a vibrational energy that is coming down onto planet Earth. Ancient beings, yogic masters, everything is coming in through that crown chakra, all this higher intelligence, this cosmic information. So this is awesome to see in a photo. Again, like all the auras, all these questions that I've had in these experiences in my life were answered in this psychic reading. So it was just really fun to kind of get the confirmation on a lot of the things that I've been feeling and intuiting on my path. So one of the biggest lessons that I got confirmation for is on the left side of this picture here is the green, the aura. It's just the empath. It's the heart chakra. The toroidal field is constantly spinning. It's constantly moving, right? So you can even tell in this picture, it's like there's so much going on with the aura. It's like evolving like a tornado around the human body. Okay. The coolest thing that I learned, I thought I would call myself like a spirit shaman. I would call myself, a yogi. You can use all these labels that you want. We are infinite spirit soul, and I have connection to other celestial beings. I get information from other celestial beings. You can call them aliens. You can call them whatever you want. The important thing is that it's been a huge, tremendous value into my life as far as what I've learned on this journey. So if you see right below the crown chakra, there is like a blue light right there, like a blue orb. This is a Palladian being that is giving me information. And I've always been connected with Syrian beings, Palladian information has come and gone. Like, what I realized is I'm getting different guides, different celestial beings at different points in my life that I can tap into and gather information and be able to share it with others. This is for the highest good of all. This is for the highest collective energy for everyone on planet Earth. So again, it was just cool to kind of have like a picture to get some sort of physical scientific data behind all this like spiritual woo-woo stuff that I've been into for so long. These things on the white on the right side of the picture with the white aura, like this white orb, okay, this is a constant energy that's coming in. The cool thing about the psychic is she was able to like even pinpoint like a specific timeline. So she was talking about me going through a transformation in the past 2 years, and she was totally spot on. I've been going through a huge shift as far as, letting go of my self-limiting beliefs, letting go of all the things that have been holding me back from really experiencing my full potential. And to be honest with you, yoga, meditation, raw foods, being vegan, breath work, energy, tai chi, I've done so many things to activate my light body, activate this spiritual body, this path that we are all on. So I just want to say, that I've been working hard at this for a long time. So it's just fun, like I said, gathering these little bits of information from as many psychics and energetic beings as possible. So this orb on the right is me coming into my power, me stepping into this growth, this opportunity. Obviously, with this podcast, the YouTube channel is blowing up. Everything that I'm doing in the digital waves is really coming alive because it's centered in my heart. This is my highest path. This is like what I love to do right here, is talk to you guys, give you valuable information on my experiences, what I've learned on my spiritual path, and almost like, deciphering and demystifying all of this spiritual stuff. And the thing that I got in this psychic reading that was really profound is, these are metaphysical teachings. These are cosmic beings. They don't have human bodies. So how can I, take that information and bring it through the intellect? It just doesn't work like that. So for me, it's a studying of, conscious language, using yoga, using some sort of reference or guide to be able to use this information in my 3D waking life. So it was really cool, like I said, to get this insight from such a profound person to be able to give me some answers. The next part, if you can see very subtly in this photograph, there's like these lines. They're, how do I say it? It's like vibrational points. You got to think about like chords, right? If you have ever seen energy before or gone on any, shamanistic journeys, you'll see energy and you'll see these chords that are tied to each chakra. They might be tied to other physical beings in this realm, or other beings in the astral realm, higher dimensional beings, could be gurus. You got to think about your whole cosmic view here, right? You got to get out of your little self in this lifetime and step out and really get into this cosmic view of what life is all about. And, I'm just picking up where I left off. That's what I love about this. It's like, we're infinite spirit soul. Everything that I've done in my past lives, all that karma is here right now in this life that I have to, get through in order to help others and continue this samsara, this cycle of birth and death. And I'm ready to be done with it. I'm ready to help others. She talked about, how, a true empath in previous lives was able to heal everybody and just take away their pain and suffering right there. And in 2019, in this modern era, that's not serving anybody. The empaths of today are training everybody for the collective good, for this higher good, this unconditional love vibration that is available to planet Earth. And that involves everyone doing their own work. Okay, this is a huge lesson here. There's so many healers, Reiki practitioners, people, and all of this stuff is wonderful. But if you're taking somebody's, pain away from them, you're taking away their training. This is a lesson for that individual, for them to learn, for them to grow spiritually. So in the past, Jesus, healers, Buddha, all these, amazing psychics and people that were able to like transcend their limitations and heal people. That was in the old days. In the new days, in this new wave, in this new earth, we really are healers on all platforms, meaning we have to be that light. We have to be that symbol for others, to give them an opportunity to look at their own stuff, to be a mirror so they can look at their own things and reflect on what's blocking their system, what's blocking their chakras, so they can do it themselves, because that's the only route that's natural and sustainable, okay? Anything else is going to create what I call the Band-Aid effect. effect or the slingshot effect. It's like you might cure your problems, temporary, but they're just going to circle right back. And we need to really create long-term sustainable change by going deep within the meditative process and healing this on all planes, all energetic frequencies to let this happen for the collective good. So I'm just super stoked to have this picture. Again, this is such an amazing experience on the Clarion Photography too, because there's only 3 cameras left in existence that are like the real cameras from the Clarion. How do I say this? The patent, so the patent is only out and they're not going to redo it. So literally the film, once the camera's done, it's done. So the film that's out there in existence, all the pictures are going to be taken and they are not making any more. So I just feel really blessed to be a part of that and to be able to have this photo, because a lot of people are skeptical about all this new age stuff, all this spiritual woo-woo stuff, and to have like a physical photo that you can look at with your own 2 eyes is just really awesome. So again, if you haven't gone to like a psychic or a medium or anybody like that, I highly suggest this. Just use your heart, use your intuition, go with an open mind, experience what it's like to have some sort of, psychic or tarot card. I mean, again, guys, I've had a lot of readings from people and I don't trust everybody. It's just, you have to use your vibe, right? Use your, meter within yourself that vibes people out and says whether it's true or not to you. I had so many light bulbs going off during this reading and so many intuitive messages coming to me that felt amazing. And it's just like, yep, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Yep, I'll integrate that. Cool, I need to take action on this. So it's like a pinpoint in your life, like what you need to take action on and what you need to do. So again, I highly recommend this, service. If you can find a Clarion photographer that has the real legit camera, you need to do this. This is so awesome. And it really gives you some motivation in order to work on, like I said, these sensitive areas that a lot of people are not willing to look at even. So just really cool. The chakras are real, people. The chakras exist. The energy, your auric field is 100% legit. And a lot of people think, it's just some scam or whatever, and it's not true. I mean, I can tell you right now in my own life, let me be a testament to you. Everything that I've done, all of my success has come from these teachings, has come from this wisdom in other dimensions, in other places that are not on planet Earth. Planet Earth is a school for us to learn and grow. I'm just telling you, this cosmic intelligence has changed my life. It is profound what I've experienced even in my one lifetime with these teachings of yoga and this mystical thing that we're all part of. So tap into it, guys. You're going to love it. Experience the wisdom from a medium. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Have you ever been to a medium before? Is all this stuff just woo-woo, new age stuff? I mean, does it mean anything to you? I'd love to hear your opinion. Just tell me in the comment section below. What did you think? Is Clarion Photography legit? I mean, is all this stuff just a scam? I'd love to hear your opinion. So in the description below, I'm going to, tell you a little bit more about the reading, where I went to, all that good stuff. So you guys need to do this. I'm telling you, chakras are real. The auric field is profound. The more you know about your chakras, the more you know about your own energy, the more clarity you're going to have on your path on this earth and be able to share your gift with others. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for being here. Peace. Much love.